Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write notice for Ganesh Chaturthi celebration at your school in English. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. In the first line, you have to write the name of your school along with address. Here, for example, I am writing ABC School, Mumbai. In the next line, towards the center, you will write NOTICE notice in bold letters. In the next line, to the left hand side corner, you will write the date on which this particular notice is being published. Here, for example, I am writing date 24th August 2024. In the next line, towards the center, you will write the heading of your notice. Here, for example, I am writing Ganesh Chaturthi Celebration. After this, we will start writing the body of the notice. Here, for example, I am writing Dear students and staff, we are excited to announce that our school will be celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi on September 7, 2024, that is Saturday. In the next line, towards the center, you will mention all the program details that needs to be mentioned. Here, for example, I am writing time 9 AM to 12 PM, venue school auditorium. In the next paragraph, we will mention all other necessary information that needs to be put in this notice. Here, for example, I am writing all students are encouraged to participate in the celebration. Please come dressed in traditional attire. Let's come together to seek the blessings of Lord Ganesha. Celebrate this auspicious occasion with joy and devotion. We look forward to your enthusiastic participation. In the next line, towards the left hand side corner, you will put your signature. You will write your designation and then the name of your school. Here, for example, I am writing Principal ABC School.